What are configuration files?
Configuration files, often called config files, are files used to store settings and options for software and code projects. Instead of hard-coding values directly into your code, config files let you adjust behavior, connect to services, or change environments simply by editing a file. This keeps your code base clean, flexible, and easier to update as requirements change.
Common types of config files.
Config files come in different formats like JSON, YAML, TOML, INI, and XML. Each format has its own structure, but serves the same purpose: storing key settings such as database credentials, API keys, or application modes. Choosing the right format often depends on your project's language, ecosystem, and readability needs.
Where to place your config files?
Config files are usually kept in a project's root directory or inside a special config folder. Naming conventions like config.yaml, settings.json, or .env make them easy to spot. Keeping config files organized helps separate sensitive or environment-specific settings from your main code base, making collaboration and deployment easier.
Best practices for secure config management.
Never store secrets like passwords or API keys in plain sight. Use environment variables when possible, and always ignore config files that contain sensitive data in your version control system. Tools like gitignore and secrets managers help you keep confidential settings safe from accidental leaks.
Making config files work for you.
Harnessing the power of config files means your projects can adapt quickly to different situations, such as switching from development to production. Good organization and secure handling turns simple files into a reliable foundation for scalable, easy-to-maintain code bases, no matter your programming language or framework.